Hello! Today I'll show you how to fix a damaged headphone cable. These are Yamaha headphones, but this guide will work for repairing any wired headphones with the same defect. To do this job, you'll need a soldering toolkit and a few basic tools. Start by removing the ear pad cushion on the side where the cable is attached. Unscrew the headphone housing and open it. Cut the cable at the damaged spot. Stretch the cable in the direction from the jack to the cut end. This will help the cable last longer. Cut a small piece of heat shrink tubing, stretch it wider, and slide it onto the cable. Apply superglue on the jack's rubber part, and place the heat shrink tubing over it. This will significantly increase the jack's lifespan. Cut off the damaged section of the cable and pull it out of the rubber protector. Insert the undamaged part of the cable back through. Measure how long the cable needs to be, then tie a knot in it to secure it in place. Carefully remove the outer jacket of the cable and separate the wires by color. Tin all the wires. This will make soldering easier and improve the connection quality. Now comes the most important step. Unsolder the old wires and solder back the new wires. It's crucial not to mix up the colors. Removing and resoldering the wires must be done with 100% precision. Once the old wires are replaced with the new ones, apply superglue to the cable and secure it inside the headphone housing. Close the housing and screw back all screws. Put back the ear pad and congratulations, you've fixed your headphones. Then just play a left and right channel test through the headphones and check if everything works properly. Great, my headphones now work like new, and I hope yours do too. Thanks, and bye.